In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. First, open Jupyter in your browser or launch your Jupyter environment on your machine. Navigate to the workspace where your project lives so you can see the folder that contains your notebook. Make sure the notebook you plan to upload is ready to go. Save your latest changes, give the file a clear name ending in ipynb, and close any cells you don't need. If your notebook produced large temporary files, keep those out of the folder so you don't accidentally upload them. Now switch over to GitHub and open the repository where you want this notebook to live. At the top of the repository, make sure you're on the Code tab so you can manage files. From here, look for the Add File button and choose Upload Files. That opens the upload interface. You can simply drag your ipynb file from your Jupyter folder into the drop area, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Give GitHub a moment to process the file. You'll see it listed and ready. Before you finish, add a short, descriptive commit message so future you and anyone collaborating knows what this upload contains, like Add Exploratory Analysis Notebook. This message becomes part of the project history and makes tracking changes much easier. When everything looks correct, finalize it by selecting Commit Changes. GitHub will store the notebook in your repository, and on the Code tab, you'll be able to see it alongside your other project files. GitHub also renders Jupyter Notebooks, so you can read the notebook directly in the browser without downloading it. That's it. You've moved your Jupyter Notebook to GitHub using the web interface. Keep using the same flow anytime you want to share updates, and remember to save in Jupyter first so the latest work makes it into your repository.